Hey guys, what is up? This is Supercars in Manchester. Today you are actually joining me for a video. This is the first vlog I've ever done. We're starting off today in Alderley Edge, where we've got a lovely dark grey, I think. C4 loose on. I mean, it might be black, but then it is quite dirty. I'm also going to be showing you guys the new car I've recently bought. I guess you could say it's its first public unveiling, even though I've had it on my Instagram for a few days. And then we're going to head down to Muffwash, ironic name, and they're going to sort out a scratch it received. My new car, where some jealous arsehole decided it would be a good idea to put a 1.5 foot long key mark in my driver's side door. So, yeah, not happy about that, but I must give Muffwash the biggest shout out, because they've offered to fix it for free. So we're going to head down there later. We're also going to have a look at Ferrari and Porsche, maybe McLaren, we'll see. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. So I should probably explain something. The reason I'm not doing a regular spotting video today is it's actually Friday. It's not a Saturday. It's Friday the 23rd of December, the Friday before Christmas. So everywhere is packed, and also with it being a Friday, there's, you know, not many supercars out. So me and a couple of mates just thought we'd come down to Alderley Edge. You're not escaping, Dave? Just thought we'd come down to Alderley, see if there's any nice cars about, which is there's a couple. There's a couple. I mean, you know, I can't complain about what we've seen. So it is what it is. But yeah, just gonna head up now and show you guys my car. So this is my new car, guys. It is a 2012 Volvo C30 2-litre R design. It is a manual, it is a petrol, and it's also in black, which makes it the first black car I've ever owned. I part-exed it with my red Ford Fiesta, which I'm going to try and put a photo up here. If not, then it's no biggie. But yeah, it's a lovely car. It's really nice. It's got a lovely leather interior. And yeah, now it's about time I show you that scratch. There it is. Some arsehole decided it would be a lovely idea to do that. Holy crap! Wow! Well, that right there is what I love about Alderley Edge. Just driving through the village and the Aston Martin DB4 GT comes past. I believe that's one of only about 80 cars that were made, as well as that nice yellowy Austin yellow 570S. But this is a Friday in the pouring rain, and that Aston's worth nearly £1 million, so props to the guy driving it, and I'm happy I got it. Oh, 992 Turbo S. Oh, V8. When your friends decide to have a play with your new car. A Roos. Turbo GT. That is a lovely spec. Well, some interesting scenes here at Ferrari. That is a Scuderia 16M.
Ferraris for you.
Oh, TDF in there. Another F12 TDF in the showroom. As well as a couple of other bits. 812, Pista, lovely jubbly. So we're just down here at Muffwash. They are going to be having a look at the scratch. There it is. Good 1.5 foot, good foot long. But they've also got an SF90 Spider in a lovely red with pretty much, as far as I can tell, most of the carbon fibre options. Rear deck lid, carbon fibre. Rear bumper, carbon fibre. And even the wheels. That is very cool. J63. A couple of other bits and bobs down at the service area parts. Yeah, I mean, Lamborghini Manchester is one of the better showrooms. Oh, hang on. This right here is a Gallardo Superleggera, and I believe it's one of the special editions. That's pretty cool. Is there anything else interesting in there? Gran Turismo. A couple of Uruses over there. Yeah, not bad. So guys, I think we are going to finish today's vlogging episode off down here at probably my favourite showroom in Manchester, which is obviously the Lamborghini dealership and the Maserati showroom. Today it's looking a little bit on the Urusy side. We've got a couple of Hurricanes over there, but a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Lamborghini Urusys. Orange, blue, 2 green, and a colour capsule edition in grey with the green decals. But yeah, looks pretty cool. I will give it that. That green one up at the back looks like it's got a couple of bits on it as well, modified possibly. Yeah. Hello, Dave. So yeah, gonna finish off the vlogging episode here. Please do let me know what you think of the video in the comments when it comes out. Do be honest, don't just be like I liked it, or you know, I want to know what you guys actually thought of it as to whether I should do this more often. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Do like and subscribe, as I try to post at least once a week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.